Is ChatGPT down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with ChatGPT right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. If you try to go on their website, if you click on try ChatGPT here, you will see that ChatGPT is at capacity right now, and you will get notified when they are back if you click here and if you enter your email. You can try to open your ChatGPT from your laptop, from your PC, and see if it works. And if not, you can check it later and see if ChatGPT is back. But you don't have to worry because you are not the only one who has problems with ChatGPT right now. They will fix this as soon as possible and you will be able to open ChatGPT again. So if you do have issues with ChatGPT right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions. What specific problems do you have? And I will make sure to answer to them and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this video and for some more content like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.